All right, here's our reasons mowers won't start in the spring. Video number 2, I believe. This is a John Deere push mower. You can see that, and it won't start. So let's see if we can make it start. Of course, you got to pull this handle down to release the flywheel so it can turn, and then I got to try to hold this camera and crank this lawnmower at the same time. So let's see if I can do that. Nothing. It's not even acting like it wants to start. Okay? Well, I've already made a mistake, so I'm going to correct that real quick. I didn't check the oil. First thing you should do on a lawnmower every time you start it is check the oil. It's got plenty of oil, maybe even a little too much. It is dark colored, so the oil probably needs to be changed. But that shouldn't stop it from trying to run. So we've got a primer bulb down here. So we should hit the primer bulb 2 or 3 times, or 4 or 5 times, and see if that helps it. So let's do that. Okay, I hit it 5 times. Does it have fuel? It does. It's actually pretty close to full of fuel. How does the fuel smell? It doesn't smell bad. So we've got a shot there. So now that we've primed it 5 times, let's pull it again and see what happens. Okay, I mean the engine's turning, but it's just acting like it don't want to do anything. So maybe it just needs a little help. So this one, I take a flathead screwdriver, which will take these 2 screws loose, this one right here, and that one. And that will show us our air filter. Okay, so we get these screws loose. Just keep on loosening them until they feel loose, and then when they do, see if you can lift the air filter cover off. It came off. Okay, we got a problem here, because the whole part of this air filter is supposed to be down like this on the carburetor, and it's not. Okay, so that's a problem. It can't get air to run. So we're gonna try to start it now and just leave the air filter off of it for now in case we have to give it a little help to try to get it to run. Is our spark plug good and tight? Yes, it feels like it is. It's right under here. It's a little thing that the black wire goes to. It feels like it's okay. So let's see if it'll do any better now with the air filter just completely out of it, because that would stop it from wanting to run. No, it still don't want to run. Now, any one of these steps could solve this problem. So maybe it needs a little help to try to run. And a lot of them do in the spring. This is starting fluid. It doesn't matter what brand or anything like that. We buy these so we can put these tubes in them to use less starting fluid. Okay, and you don't need to spray it down in there. You just need to do this. Just stick it down in the hole in the air filter, because that's going to go to your carburetor. Okay. Just a little squirt like that. Now let's see if it wants to do anything. Every time you got to push your bell down here so you're locking your, releasing your flywheel. It's something here is unlocked, and I'm not even sure what that is on this one yet. This is a speed control, and I'm not sure yet if that's for the hydro drive, I believe, or for the belt drive. I believe it is. So I'm gonna push it up just a little bit, but I'm not gonna push it up much. Still don't want to start. Okay, now it smells like it's getting fuel. I can sure smell that starting fluid. Yeah, right there's where it goes down into the engine. So now, is it getting fire? Is it firing? Okay. And this might be the point where you want to take it somewhere and get it fixed. When you put the little starting fluid in there and it doesn't work, you might just want to take it somewhere and get it fixed. Because to do this the way we do it, we use a spark tester. Well, it's real hard to crank a push more while you're holding the spark and try to hold the spark plug against the side of the engine. So, but if you are going to use a spark tester, you plug this end into your spark plug wire, and you put this end onto your spark plug. Push it in there till it clicks, just like that. Okay, now let's get it up here where we can see it, and crank the lawnmower. Pull the cord a few times and see if it looks like we're getting any fire on it. It is firing. I'm seeing it. I don't know if you're seeing it or not. So we do have fire. So the spark plug is firing. And if I know my spark plug's firing, I'm going to put it on there one more time. Put this spark plug wire back on it one more time. Take your spark tester off. So they'll run with the spark tester on them. And I'm going to give it one more little shot of starting fluid. Just a little squirt like that. See if that'll coax it into at least trying to run for a second or two. Ah, hear that pop? It's popping a little bit now. So it's trying to do something. And at that point, on this lawnmower, I wouldn't keep putting starting fluid into it. It needs to go somewhere and get fixed. Hope this helps you.